Hi everyone. Today's video lecture we are going to start Python. I'm going to give the introduction about Python and we'll see what is the features of Python, how Python has evolved and what is the latest version of Python and everything. So hi everyone. In today's lecture we are going to see the Python features. What is Python? What is the latest version of Python? And why Python is something different from other programming languages. What is the special features for Python? We're going to see all those things. So first we'll see the version. So in all the video lectures we are going to see Python version 3 and above. So the latest version of Python is 3.7 that is released in June 2018. So this is what the latest version. So in all our video lectures, we are going to concentrate only on Python 3 and above versions. So because we have some syntax difference between Python 3 and above version and Python 2 and below versions. So we are going to concentrate only on 3 and above versions in all the video lectures in Python. So this is what the latest version of Python. And then features. Regarding features, you could see it is easy to learn and use, which means it is a beginner's programming language. When you're new to programming language, you're not familiar with any other programming languages like C, C++ or Java. You're just a beginner and you're going to learn a new programming language. If that is the case, Python is the best choice. Because Python will not ask you to remember many syntax, it will not ask you to remember many rules as like the other programming language. So as far as for beginners, Python is a good choice for learning a new programming language. So that is why it is easy to learn and use. And then next is it is expressive. It is expressive language, which means the beginners can easily understand the instruction in a Python, which means the beginner can easily understand instruction in Python. When you're having a statement in a programming language and when you're giving that to a beginner to understand it, comparatively Python statement will be easily understandable for a beginner. So it is expressive. It will express what it is, what the statement is for. So it will express it to you for the beginners. So it is called as expressive language. And then next is cross-platform. So cross-platform language, as the name implies, which means it is common across all the platforms, which means all the operating systems. There is no difference between running a Python in Windows, running a Python in Unix, Linux, or whatever version it may be. So it is cross-platform. And then next is it is free and open source, which means the Python is available in its official website, which means Python is available in its official website. So you can download it, all the source code for free. So that is why it is free and open source. So next. Python supports all object-oriented features and like class, objects, inheritance, everything. We'll be seeing all those things in later lectures. So it supports all the object-oriented features. So it is object-oriented programming language. Next, extensible and integrated, which means you can integrate Python code or you can extend Python code to work along with your C or C++ or Java code. So it is ready to mingle, it is ready to be interoperable with other programming languages. That is why it is extensible and it is integrated. So these are all the features of Python. So by seeing all the features of Python, it is obvious that Python is just the beginner's language. So many of you might have learned C, and after that you might have learning Python, or for many of you Python is the first language you are learning. If that is the case, you'll feel that Python is very much flexible, very much easy for you to understand. If you're already familiar with some other programming languages and then you're learning Python, you could compare this Python with that already known programming languages, and you can say that Python is flexible and Python is easy. Python is easy compared to the other programming languages.